Greetings, Dennis Daniels here. This is PyScript. PyScript allows you to run Python directly in your HTML. And let me show you what that looks like. We have, this is the code directly downloaded from GitHub. Keep in mind that the GitHub repo does not include the build. So you actually have to add this code here in order for the GitHub demos to work. There's already been a bug report made against that. This code is going to show a map of the United States. And I'll go ahead and let's just go ahead and run it. So F5 to run the code. And because it's pulling quite a bit of information from the internet, it's going to take a couple of seconds for it to load. But when it does load, you'll see just an amazing rendering of data directly in HTML, using a bunch of data sets pulled from a JSON file. Now you can see, for whatever reason, that it's not populating all of the map correctly. Because as we scroll to the left or right, you see that this map is not being rendered. But no matter, I'm interacting in HTML, calling data from the internet that is being parsed and processed by Python and Folium. So these are libraries. I do not have Folium installed. This is coming from the internet, pulling this data set from these JSON files. It's amazing what we can do with PyScript. So if you're a coder, go take a look at it and give the guys and girls a hand, because this has some real significance for development using Python. Thank you for watching, and happy computing.